guys, welcome to the vlog. Frankie P here. And Jannika, she don't know what she want to say. She's nervous.
I'm nervous because Frank is right here. Even though he encourages me every day. Today is Friday, and today is day 4 of Vlogtober. So I forgot to close out yesterday's vlog. So if y'all see me closing out yesterday's vlog looking like I do today, it's because I closed it today for yesterday. So that confused you, it confused me a little bit too. So we're on the way to Frank's birthday dinner. So I wanted to vlog a little bit of that. I got a late start to the vlog because I've been running around, running errands and stuff like that. Kids were home because they didn't have school today. It's been being a mom and being a wife and being myself today. We'll vlog a little bit when we get there so y'all can see and hang out with us. So see y'all in a minute. Vlogtober day 4, day 5, I don't know which one it is, but anyways, today is Saturday, 7:55 p.m. I'm starting this vlog super late, but I am proud because I am recording every day, even in the midst of all that's going on. Big girl, you're doing great. I've been doing mom stuff, just kind of lounging and getting my life together. I was supposed to have a photo shoot and stuff today, but my client canceled, so we're gonna be rescheduling that. But today, I'm focused on getting the last minute things, little small pieces together for Frank's actual birthday, which is tomorrow. So we celebrated majority of it yesterday, the dinner. He don't know that I'm doing a little bit extra. I just feel like he deserves it. And I feel like everybody deserves to be celebrated on their birthday, like especially my man. I got a few things. I have got these balloons. So I got these, I'm gonna cut them probably because they're super long, and then I'm gonna spread them out in the living room, so when he comes home from work, because that's where he is right now, he's going to be able to see this, and this will be part of the surprise. I also got these gold foil balloons. I was looking for the silver, but they didn't have them. Be happy that they did have them because I didn't want to have to drive to another part of the city. Like, that would have been not cool. So I'm gonna be setting everything up after I cook dinner, after we clean up, so that he can come home to a clean environment, peaceful, vibey. So when he gets home, that's already gonna be up for him and all the other things.